Hey everybody, my name is Megan and I'm here to read a book with you guys today. I don't know if you can hear, but it's kind of stormy outside, and I know that when it's stormy out, I just want to cuddle up with my puppy and read a good book. So, Bonnie is here with me today to help us read a book. So, I figured because Bonnie's here, we should read a book about dogs. So, today we're going to read a book called Spare Dog Parts by Allison Hughes and Ashley Spears. When my dog was made, they used leftover parts, and they put her together like a big dog puzzle. There was an old tubby stubby body that didn't fit any other dog. They used that and covered it with leftover wiry, scruffy fur. It's a comfortable body, perfect for cuddling. You can see there's that checklist. It's check cuddly, check soft-ish, check lovable. There was no more matching sets of legs left, so my dog got a spare brown leg, a black one, a white one with black spots, and one that couldn't make up its mind if it was white or not. Four unmatched paws needed a home, so my dog got them. The paws are too small for the legs, and the legs are too short for the body. But they all work. They get my dog where she needs to go. On a walk through the woods, on a romp with some friends, there was a spare stubby wiggly tail with a lifetime of wiggling left in it, and two long silky floppy ears that stood straight up when they needed to. Nobody else wanted this big, wet, snuffly nose or the shaggy, panting, drooling snout, so my dog got them. All the big brains went to the dogs that really needed them, but my dog knew enough. She knows all the important things, like where the sunbeams fall and the sound of food, and when someone needs her. Two melting, soft brown eyes were thrown into the mix, and the biggest dog heart that ever beat, if it fills her stubby body with love and keeps her tail wagging endlessly, even when she sleeps. When my dog was made, they used leftover parts, but somehow, when they fit together like a big dog puzzle, they made a perfect dog. The end. Oh, that was so cute. Did you like that story, Bonnie? I think that was a really fun story. I hope everybody's doing well, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.